rainwater. You heard about this question?
No, bro, I don't know the problem statement also.
Problems from, okay, I'm gonna explain that. Okay, so I will taking the array as 4, 2, 0, 3, 2, and 5. So this is the array. Okay, here how will I gonna draw? I don't know. uh, but let's see in GLG problem. So trapping rainwater. I'll explain the problem statement here. So here one array is there. Yeah. Okay, Tarun, are you able to see the array, right?
Yeah.
So array is there, two building blocks, one building block. So this line is considering that y line is considering the number of blocks. So means array is given as 2, 1, 5, 3, 1, 0, and 4. Got this?
Yes.
So means 2 means the 2 building, 1 means the 1 building, and 5 means the 5 building. So in these blocks, after that array, what means how many liters or how many count of water we can store. Suppose between the 0, 1, and 2, the water 1 will be stored, right? Other waters will be get fall down. Okay, and so
Okay.
one got stored here. So now you say me between 2 to 6, how much water we can store in all these blocks?
Adding up all those blocks, right?
Yeah, correct.
5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. 8, 9, 13.
No. See. Here gap is there. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
In gap, how many water we can store?
Okay, I got it.
Uh,
1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Sorry. 1,
1 is here,
2.
right?
Yeah.
And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 water we can store.
9. Yes.
9 blocks of water. So this is the problem. We need to get out the how we can store the water. So this is the solution. We need to find it out.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's discuss this that approach, how we can find that out. So for this, the output will be gonna looks like 4 minus 4, between 4 to 3. The water will be got stored as 4 liters, and 4 between 3 to 1, 5. So total water will be gonna store here as 9. I will show you how it is 9. So need to draw the block. I don't know how we can draw it. Anywhere, bro, you know how to we can draw scripted it. So you got the problem how we can store the water, right?
Yeah.
So let's discuss
Okay,
that.
let's explain the same inputs.
Same example, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So let's take that array and for this the output is 7, right? 9.
9. Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total is 8, right? check. I will take the 2 pointers approach. What I'm gonna discuss is I will take the 2 pointers. One is left side and another is right side. At last, right pointer and left pointer I'll consider, and I will consider the total water as initially 0, right? And another I will consider the left max as 0 and right max is also a 0. I will gonna consider both. So I will take this initializing the elements. I am using the 2 pointers approach here. So I am taking the left pointer as 0 and right pointer as and -1 at the last. At last you understood, right? Why I am taking the last, right? I want the right max element.
T refers?
T refers the total number of water.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So here my left max and right max, I took water. So let's see, left max and right max equals to 0 and T equals to 0. I will update it by on the iterations. So here the first pointer is at, this is the L, and here this is the right. I will write the indexing as well. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, total number is 7 elements are there, so 0 to 6. So currently right is at the last and left is at the first. So I will gonna say if see uh, my array of left is less than equal to array of right, correct? Means
Yes.
2 is less than 4, right?
Yes.
So if array of left is less than array of right, then I will enter in the loop. Means it should be less than equals to. Then I will enter in the loop and say, and again check the condition. If this is, I want the left max and right max, right? So currently I checked with the pointer. Means why I initialize the pointer? Because of indexing I want the array, particular array number. So array of left is less than array of right. Then check if my left max is greater than array of left. See here, first thing we got is array of left is less than array of 2 is less than 4, right? So 2 is less than 4 means we need to update the left max, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we will update the left max. How we can update the left max? If left max is greater than array of L. Array of L is what? 2.
2.
So left max is what? 0. 0 is greater than 2? No. So if it is not greater, so we will say else left max equals to array of I.
Okay.
So left max is updated with 2.
With a 2.
Okay. So here we will write this condition later. We'll see this. What if left max is greater? So I updated my left max. This is done. So now let's check. What about the right max? Now again, if my left max is less than equal to right max, what is the means? I will gonna increment the left max as well. Left plus plus. Is it true? Right?
Yeah.
I will increment my pointer. So my left max got incremented and came to index 1. Now left max is what? 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. So left max. No. Now I'll check. Array of left is less than equal to array of right.
Yes.
Is less than. Okay. So I entered in the loop. So now let's check. Left max is greater than array of L. Array of L is what? 1.
Yes.
And left max is what? 2.
Yeah.
So if it is a greater, then only we will gonna add the water. What water we will gonna add here? The left max minus array of I. Is it true? The subtraction of water will be gonna add here, right? Between 2 and 4, what water will be gonna store? The block 1 means 2 minus 1 definitely will be there, right? Because the
Yeah.
building 4 it is there.
Okay.
Building 4 will be pakka is there, right? And 2 blocks will be there, means 1 is block is there, means 1 water pakka we can assume. So we will say left max minus area of left.
Yeah. Once open the diagram.
Okay, so I can say this, see, here 2 blocks are there and 1 block is there, so we can assume, and here say 4 blocks are there, right?
Okay,
so
okay.
1 water will be definitely stored. 1 means how we can calculate it? 2 minus 1.
Okay,
So
got it.
so we update, yeah. So we updated this condition, and we can say now water is our total is 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we updated this and again increment the pointer. Okay, now left, area of left is less than area of right? Not, right?
No.
So we'll enter in the else loop and gonna say if it is not, then we will move our right pointer, right?
Minus, huh?
We will move our right, decrease our right pointer, but before that, before that same condition will be applied, right?
Yeah.
We will check for right. We will say our right max is greater than area of right, then only increment the water right max minus area of right, and otherwise right max equal to area of right. Is it, you are got this condition? Same like left
Yeah.
max how we updated. So,
Okay.
here now right max is what? 0. 0 is greater than r of r, a of r? No, 0 is less than 4.
Yes.
So we will update 0 with 4. Update it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we updated this, and again we decreased our pointer, right?
Yeah.
Still the water is 1. Now we will say here, see, again we'll compare this condition. If area of left is less than equal to area of r, so area of left is 5, 5 is less than equal to r? No. So we
No.
will, so right max, max is what? 4. 4 is greater than area of r, 4 is greater than 0, true. So update the total water. Total water is what? 4 minus 0, which is 4.
4.
So plus 4. Got? Okay.
Yeah.
So again decrease the pointer, right? Again same, compare again it again. Area of left, which is 5. 5 is
Yes.
less than 1? No. Go to the else loop and go to the else loop and check right max.
Yes.
Right max is 4. 4 is greater than 1? True. So again
Yeah, true.
update 4 minus 1, which is 3.
3.
Yeah. Again
8.
decrease the pointer. So we got decrease the pointer. Now 3. So area of left, which is 5. 5 is less than equal to 3? No.
No.
So again enter the if condition.
Else. Yeah.
Else block. So 5 is greater than 3, which is true. So update the total water. Total water will be 5 minus 3, which is 2.
2.
Yeah. So again now decrease the pointer.
L and R.
L and R. So this came here. So now L will gonna run loop up to while L is less than equal to R, right?
Yeah.
So we will now see area of left less than equal to area of I. True. Correct. They are less than equal to only 5 equal
Yes.
to 5, right?
Yes.
So left max is what? 2. 2 is greater than 5?
No.
So update the left max, which is now gonna be 5, and increment the pointer. So now we crossed the loop, so we'll not gonna enter the again condition. We will have the total water, which is 9.
Okay.
Got 10. We got something, I guess, wrong in the question, wrong in the iteration. I guess we have done somewhere wrong. Okay, but this logic is correct. Let's see it, code it out and check where we got wrong. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So let's code this out. So as we initialize the left pointer and right pointer as 0 and total water as 0 and left max as 0 and r max is also n minus 1 at the last. Okay. Okay, r max is 0 and right pointer is last element, last index. Okay, so I will gonna say while left is less than equals to r, is that condition true? Then only I will enter another loop and say compare if array of left less than equal to array of right, then check for array of, if it is less, array of left is less, then check for if array of left, no, we will gonna check for left max, right? So left max is less than, uh, I will say if array of left is less than array of right, then I will update the left max, right? I will update my left max equals to array of left, right? And I will left plus plus. Otherwise, if array of left is greater than array of left, then update the total water with left max minus array of left. Is it correct, Tarun? Otherwise, we're gonna check for right. If r max is greater than array of right, then update the total water with array of right max minus array of right, and right max will be gonna update with array of right and r minus minus, right? And at last we can say return the total water. Okay, I will initialize the size, int n equal to v dot size. Let's submit it out. So our question is got submitted, so it's saying it's probably right, Tarun?
Yes, bro.
So the code logic, whatever we wrote, it's got submission, but let's check it again that where we got wrong our iteration. So initially left is max is 0, right max is 0, and left is at 0, right is here. Okay, so I'll say my left array of left 2 is less than 4. So enter the loop and update the left max, which is 2, and increment the pointer. Again, 1 is less than 4, and we'll say 2 is not less than 1 and update the total water. Total water will be gonna left max minus 1, which is 2, which is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Again, increment the pointer, and 5 is less than equal to 4. No, we will gonna update our right max, which will be gonna 4, right? And decrement the pointer. Okay, we decrease the pointer, and we will again say 5 is not less than equal to 0. So update our total water, which is right max is 4. 4 is greater than 0. So 4 minus 0, which is 4. So decrease the pointer again and check 5 is not less than 1. So again update the right max, which is 4. 4 minus 1, 3, and decreased the pointer again 5 is not less than, so 4 minus 3. Yeah, I got here at last we got wrong term, right? We decreased with the 5. So right max is 4, 4 minus 3, which is 1. Is it true?
Yeah.
Ah,
Yes.
so decrease the pointer again and update it. Now while is less than equal to r, so 5 is equals r. So update the left max, which is 5. So total water is 9. So we corrected our mistake now, right?
Yeah.
So time complexity will be gone for this what?
We go of n.
Correct. We go of n. And space complexity
1.
1, as we not used any other extra space. So this is the simple solution, right? We took the 2 pointers and we are moving from left and we are decreasing from right, and comparing
Yeah.
with the array of elements. Just
Yeah.
to compare, if they are left max is greater, then update the total water. If right max is greater, then update the total water.
Yeah.
Yeah, you if we'll go through 2-3 times, then you will be habituated with this pattern. So it's
Okay.
easy. Okay, as we code it out also.